Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about null pointer exception in brief. What is null pointer exception in Java? Null pointer exception in Java is an unchecked exception defined in java.lang package and comes when a member of an object, either field or method, is called on an object which is null. Null is a keyword in Java which means nothing, and calling method on an object whose value is null will result in null pointer exception. Null means there is no address, so the moment you invoke any method or variable on the object, it will throw you null pointer exception. Since default value of object is null, if you call any method on or access any field on an object which is not initialized, will throw null pointer exception. Let's see an example so that you can understand. So I have a string here, okay, and I'm trying to access here. I have a list here which is null, and I'm passing this list to calculate interest method, and I'm trying to iterate it. Let's see by debugging this example. So I have a list here which is having null value, and I am passing this null value to the calculate interest. Now it's going to get the length, or it's going to do some operation on this list, and it's going to fail. I am catching null pointer exception here. This is not a best practice to catch the null pointer exception. Just for the demo purpose, I am catching it here. It's a unchecked exception, and so we passed a null here, and we try to iterate it, try to call a method on this null object, and it failed. So this is how null pointer exception happens. So best practice is always initialize whenever is required, otherwise have a null check before accessing it. Okay, hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.